Hi there. Today we will be creating a Scala project using Intellij Idea. Click on Create New Project. There are two ways in which we can create a Scala project, either using Maven or by using SBT. Let's create it using Maven. So select Maven and click on Next. Give the group ID and the artifact ID. Click on Next. This is our project name and the project location. Now click Finish. Once the project is created, you can see that in Source, Main and Test directory, there is a folder named Java. Now, first thing we have to do is to rename this folder to Scala. So right click and go to Refactor, Rename and change the name to Scala. Do the same for Test directory as well. Once this is done, next we have to add the Scala library. So right click on the project name, go to Open Module Settings, go to Libraries tab, click on this plus sign and select Scala SDK. Here we have to select the Scala version. I am selecting this. If the version you want is not available here, you can download it. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Now we are ready to write our first Scala program. So let's do it. Right click on Scala, go to New, create a package. Let's give it a name, let's say Demo. Now right click on this package, go to New, select Scala class. Give it a name, let's say Hello World. Select object and press enter. Now let's create a main method. In Scala, we can create main method using extends app. This app is a trait which contains definition of our main method. So this is one way, and the other way is to write the main method itself. So let's write it. You can say df main args of type array of string equal to curly brackets, and let's just print hello world. Now let's run this. We can either run by clicking here and run hello world, or just right click anywhere and select run hello world. We got our output. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.